Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about checklist for beam and slab before starting concrete. Check the concrete cover for slab. The minimum required cover thickness for slab reinforcement usually ranges between 20 and 30 mm depending on the environmental conditions present throughout the building's service life. The 20 mm would apply to a dry climate and the 30 mm to a seaside location. Beam sides and bottom concrete should be checked. After leveling of beam, bottom bracing should be provided. The plumb of beam sides at each end should be checked with the help of line dory. Main and distribution bars spacing should be checked. The spacing between two bars, main bar or distribution bar, are provided according to the designing and prepared BBS, bar bending schedule. The slab may be one-way or two-way. According to the IS 456, 2000 the minimum spacing may be maintained as for main bar not more than 3D or 300 mm, whichever smaller. For distribution bar not more than 5D or 450 mm, whichever smaller. D equals effective depth of the slab. Beam stirrups should be checked. As per code provision, the stirrups spacing should be least among the least lateral dimension of the column. 16 times the diameter of longitudinal main bar. Not more than 300 mm cc. Applied a shuttering oil for removal of shuttering form slab and beams. Shuttering oil or formwork oil is high-quality mineral oil that is applied to the inner surface of formwork before concreting. Shuttering oil is also known as a form or mold release agent. Shuttering oil is used for the following reasons. Application of shuttering oil prevents sticking of formwork to the concrete surface, thereby permitting easy stripping of formwork after the concrete has hardened. Shuttering oil protects the formwork and hence the formwork can be reused several times. Shuttering oil helps provide good finishing surface of the concrete with minimum defects. In the case of wooden formwork, shuttering oil prevents water absorption from concrete by the wooden formwork. Shuttering oil reduces leakage of water during the curing process. Shuttering oil prevents steel formwork from corrosion. We have to use tape, if there is any space in formwork. The proper number of chairs should be provided for slab. Bar chairs must be spaced at not more than 800 mm centers for steel fabric. To maintain the proper space between the bottom and top reinforcements of a slab. Basically, chairs is provided in slab and flooring work for maintain spacing in top. Check the beam depth and slab thickness for slab as per drawing. Minimum depth of beam is depend on length of beam. If length of beam is about 20 feet, then minimum depth of beam should be 20 inch. If length of beam is 25 feet, then minimum depth of beam should be 25 inches. Standard concrete floor slab thickness in residential construction is 4 inches. 5 to 6 inches is recommended if the concrete will receive occasional heavy loads. Check slab level in all direction. Slab level from the slab floor just below it. On the peripheral columns, a known level is marked, usually at plus 1000 mm from the lower floor level. This is done with water level or with dumpy level. From this marking, the height of the beam bottom is determined, and this is checked at various points. From beam bottom it's easy to measure the slab bottom. Spacing between the center to center distance of formwork jacks, 3 feet minimum. Spacing from one beam to other beam should be checked. Formwork should be tied properly and prevent from leakage. Formwork corners shall be adequately tied to prevent leakage or bulging and spreading of concrete. Ensure sufficient length is provided for wall ties and has sufficient strength and spacing as required. Column and beam junction should be checked. Check beams and column are straight or not, as per drawing. Check the formwork surface, is it clean or not? Check reinforcement for the beam and slab as per architectural drawing. Check all the electrical conduct pipes, connections. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.